Ensuring driver safety is a key mandate across any fleet organization. But the ability to also respect driver privacy can be a challenge. Until now. Introducing Geotab GO Focus, an AI-powered forward-facing dash camera designed to help reduce collisions and protect your operations without compromising on driver privacy or trust. Powered by the latest AI and ADAS technology, GO Focus is strictly road-facing with no microphone, in-cab monitoring, or continuous recording. It captures only critical safety events. GO Focus detects critical safety risks and key incidents without constant monitoring. GO Focus can detect unsafe following distances to help fleet managers identify and mitigate risks. If tailgating or a collision occurs, the camera automatically records and uploads video, ensuring critical incidents are documented. Drivers can also flag an incident by simply pressing the Event Capture button to save the footage from 10 seconds before and after pressing. Installation is simple. Just connect GO Focus to your Geotab Go 9 Telematics device to auto-pair within My Geotab and activate its secure embedded memory and encrypted video. Authorized My Geotab users can easily retrieve videos and set up real-time alerts and notifications for key events, all with strict access controls to safeguard driver privacy. With GO Focus, you enhance safety with a privacy-first solution that supports driver adoption and satisfaction and lowers liability costs with video evidence that refutes fraudulent claims. Protect your drivers, reduce your costs, and strengthen your fleet safety program with Geotab GO Focus.